Haribudi. So my introduction is over. So Buddha, I hope you have the tube with you. Right? Other in the Butekari in on Samana Vitayaga and the Pulo, Havasa Butekinana. Right? Sometimes he or she might not having the tube. Right? So Buddha, this is a premium tube. Make a patta tube. Hamara or at a Denam I am not going to give like that. This tube has 17 pages, right? This tube has 17 pages. Tube pages right? So each and everything are included here. So the other thing that I need to tell is right? I need to take that book, I need to take that book, that book, right? Don't tell like that day. Right? So I am including each and every question from each and every book. හැම පොතකම දානවා මේකට ප්‍රශ්න. හරි? රයිට්? මොකද නැත්තම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ අම්මලා හිතාගෙන ඉන්න සමහර කට්ටිය කියනවා අර සර්ගේ පොත ගත්තාම තමයි ඒව තමයි එක්සෑම් එකට එන්නේ. Don't worry. All the questions are included here in different ways. හරි? මේකේ තියෙනවා හැමදාම. Right? I am not going to give you like 1 to 2 pages tute. එහෙම tute දෙන්නේ නැහැ හරි. Right? Or in the same tute, I am not going to print 2-3 lessons, right? At one tute, right? In one tute, I am not going to print like the 2-3 lessons are included in one tute. I am not going to do that. For one lesson, I am giving you a full tute. Pata tute right? You guys, if you guys can do this one, right? Make a karan puluwan na superb. But you can be a genius. You can be a genius. So let's go back to the lesson. Number patterns. Right. So you can complete your tute inside this one, or else you can do these things in a separate paper, right? Separate book, right? It is up to you guys, right? Decide. You guys can do the thing inside the tute because you guys have the PDF thing, right? If you won't take again a printout of that PDF and you can do this. Right? So it is up to you to decide however you are going to write this. Right. So I have given the space to do the questions, right? In the tute as well, right? So I think it will be easy. Right. Okay, let's get back to the lesson. Number patterns. First lesson, number pattern. Right, Budit? So what do you know about number patterns? Please tell me. What do you know about number patterns? And grade 8, Malila Nangilana, Matakiwa. What they know? EA. Right, tell me. What do you know about number patterns? Not that. Here, my account. Just talk with me. What do you know? Situka, do you have any questions? Raise hands then Metuli. Alright, okay. Alright. What do you know about number patterns? What of that? What do you know? Tell me. What do you know about number patterns? Very simple. What of that? Sanu, you are telling something, but I can't hear. Tell me. Tell me. It doesn't matter.
In a number sequence, numbers are decreasing or increasing according to rule.
Okay. According to rule. So she has tell me the definition, right? And can you tell me, guys, Some examples for number patterns. Some examples from your grade 8. Grade 8 tuning. Some examples. Can you tell me? Kianba?
Even number patterns.
Super. Excellent.
Odd number
Triangular
patterns.
Yes.
Square
Nice.
number patterns. Composite number patterns.
Yeah. SQR. Yes. Yeah. Composite.
Triangular number patterns.
Ah? Triangle. Yeah. Super. ඉතින් guys ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවනේ. ඔයාලකුත් දන්නවනේ you know about number patterns. Do we need to do this one? මේ කරන්න ඕනද පාඩම? right? ඕනේ නැහැනේ. ඉවර කරමුද? second lesson එකේ පටන් ගමු. right? You guys know about number patterns නේ ඔය කියන්නේ, right? Right? Multiples of 2, even number pattern, odd number pattern, right? Square number pattern, triangular number pattern. Right? Multiples of 5. Nil. Right? There is lot more than that. එකට වැඩිය තියෙනවා. හරි. So පුතා, first of all, let's get a little bit of introduction about what is a number pattern. Right? What is a number pattern? Now focus on the board. Right? Don't do anything. Don't write. Even don't write anything. I will give you the time to write. Right? Right. Now look at the board. Right. Now what is the number pattern? Right? You guys know it. This number pattern has been written according to a certain order, right? So you guys know that, right? What is a number pattern, right? So a number pattern has been written according to a certain order, starting from any certain number, right? By using a specific method or a rule, right? You need to have a order. That order can be ascending order or descending order, right? And you need to have a starting point, starting number, right? And you need to have specific method or a rule. Specific method or a rule for that particular number pattern. Right? Shall we take an example? Now look at the board, right? So, if I write something like this, right? Don't write 2, 4, right? 6, 8. Right, Budi? Now, what is this number pattern? What is this number pattern?
Even number pattern.
Super. Can anyone tell me any other answer for that?
Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2.
Super. Multiples of. So, if you see this one, you can say multiples of 2 or even number pattern. Doesn't matter. Huh? Even number. Okay. So, you guys are good. But now, normally, we are telling one single number from this number pattern. Right? What is this called? One single number.
Term.
Super. Term. So, Buddha, this is called a term. Right? And this 4 is also a term. 6 is also a term. 8 is also a term. Right? Okay. Now, what is this? Any other term for the number 1 term? Any other term? Can we identify this term by using any other term, any other name? Can you identify this? Can we introduce that term by using another name? Now you name back use term.
First term.
Super. So Buddha, this is called our first term. Now you know how to write this. That is our second term. right? Right? And this is our third term. And you know guys, this is our fourth term. Okay. Now can anyone tell me, can any of you tell me how many terms are here? How many terms?
4 terms.
4 terms.
4 terms. 4 terms.
Super. Can we finish counting those terms? Can we finish counting those terms? Yes or no?
No.
No. Then how?
Yes.
Yes. Then how did you tell 4 if you cannot finish counting? Yes, you cannot. You can finish counting. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 terms are there. Only 4 terms. Only 4 terms. We can finish counting. Then what is this number pattern? Any other name for this one?
Finite.
Finite number pattern.
First, right? If you can finish counting the terms, you can say this is a finite number pattern. In on the other hand, if you cannot finish counting the terms, what would tell?
Infinite.
Infinite number pattern.
Right. Infinite. What is the single meaning of infinite? Infinity. Or Sindhu Bhukti.
Anante.
This can be finished counting. So we are going to tell finite number pattern. If we are going to refer a infinite number pattern, after writing 3 or 4 terms, at the end, what we are going to put? If we want to tell this is an infinite number pattern, what we are going to put at the end?
3 dots.
3 dots.
Super, excellent. දුවින්දි කොහෙද ගිහින් හිටියේ මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා දැක්කේ නැහැ. හිටියද ක්ලාස් එකේ? මම දැන් ජොයින් වුණා වගේ දැක්කේ.
I was here, sir.
Right, okay. I didn't see. Okay. So if you want to refer, right, refer for an infinite number pattern, after writing 1 or 2, 3 terms, at the end you are going to put 3 dots, dot. Right? So now I am going to write it. Right? So same thing. 2, 4, 6, 8. If this is an infinite number pattern, after putting comma, I am going to put 3 dots at the end. Right? 3 dots at the end. So that this 3 dots refers to be continued. To be continued. Right? Or we are telling that infinite number pattern. Right? So this is our finite number pattern. Right? This is our infinite number pattern. Right? Because of these 3 dots. Okay. meaning of this three dot is, right? Meaning of this three dot is to be continued, right? To the infinity. Right? To be continued. So same things. And one thing. Then මෙතන ඉන්නවා යාළු වෙලා ඉන්න කට්ටිය. In this number pad. හරි? යාළු වෙලා ඉන්න කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා මේ. If we want to separate them, right? There are friends, හරි? මෙතන friends ලා ඉන්නවා friends. යාළු වෙලා ඉන්නයි. හරි? If we want to separate them, what we are going to use? In a number pattern, right? There are couples. If we want to separate them, right? What we are going to use for that? Small thing we are going to use.
Kamas.
ගොඩක් හිතන්න එපා. අඩි යාළු වෙලා ඉන්න දෙන්නේ කොහොමද වෙන් කරන්නේ? මේකේ number pattern එකේ කමාවකින් පුළුවන්ද? පුළුවන්. Yes, you can be. And this comma is for using, right? To separate two terms, right? So Buddha, you can write. Wait. Don't write, huh? Yeah. Right? So, comma can be used to separate two terms. Right. So this is what we call number patterns. Right? Okay. Please write this mail here. Let us go. Right. If you finish writing, you can send me D for done. When I am explaining, please don't write. When I am explaining, please don't write. I will give you the time to write. Right. So when I am explaining, focus on the board. Right. Now write, and after finishing, right? After finish writing, send me D for done to the chat. පුතේ හැමතිස්සෙම වතුර එකක් ළඟින් තියාගන්න. මේ ලිඳ වගේ එකක් මං ගාව තියෙනවා මේ. අඩි ලිඳක් වගේ වතුර බෝතල. හැමතිස්සෙම වතුර බොන්න හරිද? It will help you to be energetic. හරි? And you can remember so many things, right? You might not feel sleepy. නිදිමත දැනෙන එකක් නැහැ. Right? හැමතිස්සෙම drink water. Right? Each and every time හැමතිස්සෙම බොන්න එපා. ඊට පස්සේ සුගර් දෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ යන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම toilet. Because you are at home doesn't matter. Right? It will keep you healthy. කොහොම හරි ඔයාලව සෞඛ්‍යමත් විදිහට ඒක දියයි. Because water can remove poisonous things in your body. ඔයාලගේ ඇඟේ තියෙන විෂ ද්‍රව්‍ය අයින් කරනවා. So that you will become healthy person. Right. Put it here. So these three dots means to be continued. If this is continued, it calls infinite number pattern. So we cannot finish counting. Here we can finish counting. Only 4 terms is there. right? Right, after writing this one, shall we take a small break for today? Yeah, short break yeah, Gamari, because now you guys are here for 1.5 hours. නේ. හරිද? දැන් අමාරුත් ඇති පුටුවල ඉඳන් ඉඳලා පස්සාල ලෙව රිදෙන්නේ. හරි. So after finish writing this one, you can have 5 minute break. හරි. Okay, පුතේ. I will exactly begin from 7:30. Yeah. From 7:30 වලට පටන් ගන්න. Right, most of you guys have done writing. හරි. I will play my song list. හරිද? මම normally කරන්නේ මගේ favorite songs ටික තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා කියන songs මම දාගන්නවා මගේ playlist එකට සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. මට හොඳයි කියලා හිතෙනවනම් I will include them to my playlist, right? So normally we are listening for songs. හරි පුතේ. ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ලියලා දෙනවා. හරි. Right, yes. So normally, right, when I am doing the class, I am asking questions. ඔයාලා can බයින්න ගහන්න නෙමෙයි, right? මට මාට එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. හරි? Normally I am asking අර චක්‍රය multiplication table. Right? Randomly I am asking from you guys, right? Right? So for an example, I am asking like Sanuki tell me 7 times 7. What is the value? Right? Then the Udamza send me tell me what is 11 times 11. Right? At once you need to tell lah. Right? That is gonna කියන්න ඕන. හරිද? උදේ මේ මම කියන්නේ when you are doing the mathematics, right? And you need to, right, very thorough. You need to very thorough, right? You need to be a genius in multiplication table. හරිද? Don't remember shortcuts. මේ shortcuts මතක තියාගන්න එපා. 9 චක්‍රය මම කරන්නේ මේ ඇඟිලි නමලා. හරිද? Don't do that, right? Because you need to have a extra memory to remember that one as well. Because there is a pattern. ඒ pattern එක මතක තියාගන්න ආයෙ මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. තව එකක්. 9 වරක් චක්‍රය 9 වරක් චක්‍රය ගන්න කොහොමද මේ ඇඟිලි මෙහෙම නමලා. ඔහොම කරාම එනවා චක්‍රය. බොරු වැඩනේ. චක්‍රය පාඩම් කරන්න. හරිද? තව කවුරු කියයි මේ 3 වරක් චක්‍රය මෙහෙම කොටු 9ක් ඇඳලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ලස්සනට. කොටු 9 අන්දින විදිය ආයෙ මතක තියාගන්න එපා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ 3 වරක් චක්‍රය ගන්නේ කොහොමද මම මතකත් නෑ. එතකොට ටීචර් අහලා ඉවරයි 3 වරක් නම්. Teacher has already have asked what is 3 times 9. මෙහෙම teacher wait, I need to draw කොටු 9ක් and I will need to do that. Then I will tell what is 3 times 9. ඒව කරන්න එපා. හොද්දට පාඩම් කරන්න multiplication table එක I will ask from you guys. Randomly I will ask, right? Blah blah blah. So, right, you guys need to be very familiar with the multiplication table because I am saying that if you know the multiplication table very well, you guys can be genius. ඔයාලට superior dialogue වෙන්න පුළුවන් mathematics වල. හරිද? Right? I will assure that. මම ලොවෙත් කියන මම 100,000ක් එක කියනවා. හරිද? හරිද? Right. So you guys know this one now. හරිද? So shall we do something like very important thing. Common difference. Common difference. This is what is here. Common difference. Right. So when it comes to the common difference, right? When it comes to the common difference, the thing that you need to know is, right? There is a difference. If you want to have difference, I need to take two things. I need to take two numbers so that I can have a difference. Right? I need to take two numbers so that I can have a difference. Right? So now we are going to find the common difference of number patterns. Right? Shall we take the example number 1? Right? Here I have given common difference simple D, any term except the first term minus the previous term. I will explain it later. Right? So now focus on the book. Right? So this is known as simple D. Right? Simple D. Notation is simple D. Right? Right. Example number 1. Now look at the board. Don't do anything. Right? Example number 1. So what we have here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Comma 3 dots. 3 dots means this continue up to the infinity. Infinite number pattern of odd number pattern. Right? Right. So here now forget the common difference. Now let us figure it out how this number pattern could form. How this number pattern form. Here. Right? So here don't write that. This is not the answer. Now I am explaining how this form. Right? Now by looking at this one, right? By looking at this one today, right? Starting number is number 1. Number 1. And can anyone tell me, is this ascending order or descending order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order.
Super. Ascending order. Because here we have the smallest number and later we have the biggest numbers. Smallest to biggest ascending, right? Then biggest to smallest descending, right? So this is in ascending order. Then here we have 1, here we have 3. Okay. So if I want to obtain 3, what I need to do for my 1 previous term? If I want to obtain 3, I need to add 2 to this one there. Okay. Nice. 1 plus 2, 3. Right? Now, if I want to obtain number 5 by using number 3, the previous term, I need to add again 2. I need to add again 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Nice. Right? So, if I add again 2, right? 5 plus 2, 7. Nice. This is a pattern. Right? Each and every time I am adding 2 to the previous term so that I can continue this term number pattern. Add into, add into, add into, add into, add into. Right? So normally we are saying the common difference is this. This is the common difference. Right? How we are going to find that? Normally we are denoting common difference by using simple D. Right? So simple D can be obtained, right? First of all, you need to write a number here. That number cannot be your first term. Make a vendor back because if you choose the first term, there is no previous term to subtract according to the definition. Any term with a small right? Small square. Common difference equals any term except the first term. Except the first term. So not this one. I will take the second term. First term, second term. Second term is 3. And then if I choose the second term, what is the previous term? Previous term is number 1. So subtracting. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Right? So again I will say, shall I take another one? Right? So if I want to find the common difference again, I will choose number 5. Okay, I will choose number 5. What is the previous term? Previous term is this. 5 minus 3. Subtract. So the common difference is 2. Each and every time you will get 2. That is this. Common difference. Shall I take this one? 9. 9 minus previous term. Previous term. If I choose 9, the previous term is 7. 9 minus 7. Right? 2. Very easy. Actually, no need to do this much. Right? But I want to explain that. So you guys can understand. So normally, if you want to find the common difference, you have to do only this one only. You have to do this part only. Only one time. Right? Uday, please write this lesson. Small thing. Small thing. Earlier. Okay, send me D folder. Right. Super. Right. Okay, most of you guys have finished. Right. When I am explaining, don't write. Okay, I am going to do the second example as well. Right. So I am going to find the common difference of second example 2, 4, 6, 8. Right. Now look at the board. Right. The only thing that you need to do is you have to choose a term except the first term. So that I will choose number 6. This is how we are going to find the common difference. I have chosen this one, number 6. So what is the previous term? Previous term is 4. 6 minus 4, you will have 2. So the common difference is 2. Right? Okay. Send me the answers for example number 3. And yes, send me the answers for example number 3 to the chat. I want to see who finishes first. How the already right? Main chat down. Right? Send the answers to the main chat. Yes, Vidusha got the first place. Super. Yes, second place for Gagana. Right. Situmini third place. right? Sanugit fourth, then fifth, Tenuja sixth, Kushenka sixth, Kumidi eight. Yes, super. Right? You guys know this name. Put a main chapter down, right? So that thank you, Duvidi. Duvidi may channel like subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Yes, your answers are correct, Pute, right? Yeah. Right? Super. Alright, so I will do the example number 3 as well, right? So it is something like this, right? Example number 3, 7, 7.5, right? Comma 8, 8.5, right? Right? So this one, factorizing, right? So if I choose like 8.5, right? 8.5, subtract 8, right? So this is something like 8.5 minus 8. If you write it in another terms, 8.5 minus 8. So this will give you 0.5 or half. Doesn't matter. Normally we are writing this one, half. Right? Half or 0.5. Doesn't matter. Right? This should be suitable. Half is suitable for this one. Right. Right. So shall we do the example number 4? I will do this. I will do this one. I know you guys can do that. What do they current blue? Right? But I need to explain. I know you guys can do that. Right? So the example number 4. Look at the board. Example number 4. Write down the first 3 terms of a number pattern where the first term is 2. Okay, they have given you the first term. That is 2. Right? First term is 2. And common difference is 5. Common difference. D is 5. So how we are going to write the first 3 terms of this number pattern? What we are going to do is, because our common difference is 5, we are going to add 5 to the first term. I am going to add. First of all, I will add 5 to this. 2 plus 5, 7, right? Comma. 7 plus 5, 12. Now, is this the answer? Can anyone tell me? Amani, is this the answer, complete answer? Amani, is this the complete answer?
Yes.
Vidush. Okay, Vidush is saying yes. Rashad, is this the complete answer?
No.
No. Right. What is to be corrected here? What is wrong here?
There are no
3 dots.
If they at the end to be continued.
Yes, super. Vidusha, why did you say yes? I give yes here.
I just read the question and I found the first 3 terms.
First 3 terms. Right? So normally they are asking first 3 terms. Yes. So according to you, yes, this is yes. Right? So this one is the correct answer. Right? They are telling you to write the first 3 terms. They are asking you to write the first 3 terms. These are the first three terms. Right? Right? If they are telling you to write the number pattern by using the common difference 5, write down 3 or 2 terms, right? Then put a comma and put 3 dots at the end. And so you guys need to be very careful when reading the questions. Oh yeah, මේ ඉන්නවනේ සර්ලා මැඩම්ලා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඔයාලව රවට්ටන්න they will give you these kind of questions. මෙහෙම ඒවා දෙනවා. හරිද? So guys, you need to be very careful. Write the first 3 terms. 2, 7 and 12. This is it. Alright? Right. Do the example number 5 and send me the first 3 terms to the chat. I want to see who finishes first. Tangalaga, do it fast. That's Galaga. Okay, Sanuki got the first place. Tusanda second, third, Trushenka, fourth, Metuli, fifth, Tenuja, Vidusha, sixth, Asna. Asna here, eh? I thought you were not coming. Super, super. Excellent. මට කවුන්ට් කරගන්නත් බැහැ. You guys are very fast. කලින් කරාද ඔය? Example එක කලින් කරාද මට කලින්? Right? Okay, with the example number 5. Right? So that they are telling, write down the first 3 terms of a number pattern where the first term is 9. First term is 9. Right? Common difference is 3. Okay, you have to add 3 to each and every term. 9 plus 3, 12. Comma, 12 plus 3, 50. Right? So this should be your answer. 9, 12, 50. Right? Comma is necessary. Couple එක වෙන් කරන්න බෑනේ. යාළු වෙලා ඉන්න දෙන්න වෙන් කරන්න. You need to decouple them. Right? 9, 12, 50. Hariputi, right? So I will stop the theory part from here today, right? I am not going to continue the class until 8:45 p.m. Right? I am not going to continue, right? Oh, this is the first day. Since this is the first day, right? So now prepare for the speed revision part. Take the separate book with you, right? Because I need you to familiarize with that. ඔගොල්ලෝ පොඩ්ඩක් familiar වෙන්න ඕනේ ඒකත් එක්ක. Right? So after finish writing this,